Hello, Dominiq here, and in this video I want to express my thoughts about my mentor, Ramon. My journey with Ramon began in December 2022 in the field of cybersecurity. Throughout the year 2023, I've acquired essential skills and developed crucial competencies in this domain, thanks to a well-structured roadmap and the courses provided on his educational platform. From November 2023, I had the privilege of guiding students through practical laboratories on cybersecurity topics, and this gave us the opportunity to work together not only as mentor and student but also as colleagues. We transitioned also to a new platform, and the process was enriched by Ramon's thoughtful integrations. Ramon possesses a rare blend of intelligence, integrity, ambition, tenacity. All of these are coupled with a broad vision upon this world. His ability to guide individuals was obvious from the beginning, but after this time period, I think it only became enhanced. He learned how to tailor his approach based on students' proficiency level. I can speak from myself. When I encountered some technical problems, we had a brief sync up. He understood immediately what the problems were, what might be the source of the flaws, suggested some alternatives to tackle the problems, and in the meantime I managed to solve them. His professional approach is not limited to just offer solutions, but also to make sure that students comprehend and develop the ability to find independently the answers that they are looking for. This may be through concise explanations or more laborious discussions. Ramon's speech has the power to boost one's growth, provided the willingness to learn is there. What truly sets him apart is his ability to give constructive feedback. No matter the challenges, may it be technically or emotionally, he motivates you to keep learning and progressing. I've noticed that he is concerned about his personal development and shaping his craft. He noticed what the challenges students face, adapted his approach, and this led to improved outcome for all of us that were involved. Ramon, I'm sincerely grateful for having the opportunity to work alongside you, benefiting from your mentorship and also from our collaboration as colleagues. I've grown in numerous ways, may it be technically, emotionally, psychologically, and so on. Thank you for being such an inspiring mentor and a supportive colleague.